Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this Gnome kit. This is a paint kit, so the paint, the brushes, the Sharpie brush stroke marker, and the product are included. And you can check this out on our website, buildacross.com. I'm using the apple barrel paint with this today, and I'm going in first with the gray, and I'm painting his beard and the little cellophane that the flowers are wrapped in. And I'm using a number 12 flat for that, and again, that's in the brush pack on our website. Just going in, and I'm not too worried about getting outside the lines because I can clean that up with my next step. I'm going in now with an angled brush, a smaller angled brush. The bigger brush would have been a little thicker for this. And the tan color, and I'm painting his nose and his face and his hands. And next I'm going to go in with some of this light green color, and I'm going to fill in my greenery that's on my flowers. And if you want to, you can go in and paint the whole thing green because these flowers are so small. And then go back after it dries and paint the flowers, or you can kind of do like I'm doing and just kind of work your way around the flowers. Whatever's easiest for you. Normally I would probably just paint the whole thing green and go back in and fill it in later. And still, you can see I kind of get outside the lines, and I'm not real worried about that because I'll cover it up with paint. Now I'm going in with a little bit of yellow, and I'm going to paint the centers of my flowers. And also this little flower here, I'm going to paint yellow. Keeping some spring colors here. And now I'm going in with this lavender color, and I'm going to paint another flower. And again, I'm going in with some of my smaller brushes from the pack for this because these are a little bit smaller details, and it just makes it easier to use with the smaller brushes with it. And I'm going to go in and paint my stripes that are on his hat in the lavender color as well. Next, I'm going in with this hot pink color, and I'm going to paint another one of my flowers. And also his little outfit he's wearing, I'm going to paint this hot pink color. And again, my 3 steps for all my paint lines are base coat, outline, and highlight. So I'm just working on the base coating right now. I'm going to go in and fill in the rest of my hat with a green color. Right now my product has been base coated, so I'm going to give it just a minute to dry, and then I'm going to go in and begin, well, scratch that. I'm actually going to go in with a little bit of white and kind of distress over my cellophane to kind of make it look like it's clear, and then I'm letting everything dry and going in with a Sharpie brush stroke marker to outline. And again, just make sure your product is totally dry before doing this. I'd allow plenty of time before you do this step because you don't want to ruin your marker. And then I'm going to finish it by going in with my number 4 round and some white paint and highlighting everything, just following the curves of my painting. And that'll be it. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.